I am making pink clay soap, and I'm going to put the clay with my salt and sugar water to hydrate it instead of putting it directly into the oil. I like doing it this way because I feel like it hydrates the clay better to give it a more vibrant color. I don't want a high pink, I just want a slight pink variation. And I'm going to use red clay to swirl. Isn't that a pretty color? Pink clay has so many variations of shade that you can make. It's vast. You can make very light, very subtle, all the way to very deep clay. But one thing about pink clay is it will harden your soap. It's one of those clays that just loves moisture, and it'll suck it up if you use a lot. I added a little bit of red clay to swirl to make an in the pot swirl. The red clay is more of an earth red. It's a Moroccan red clay. I wanted a deeper contrast, so I put some more red clay to give it a darker contrast. I decided to leave it alone and stare it or smoosh it around. I just left it as it is to see what kind of pattern will come out. And here it is. I love it. So it's been 24 hours. Let's do a lather test. So we'll see how it lathers. Clay soaps lather really nicely, soft, and they're just great on the skin. They feel cool.